The Apple Watch Series 8 has arrived. Here's everything you need to know. At its Far Out event, Apple announced the Apple Watch Series 8. It's now the Apple Watch's middle kid, but that doesn't mean it's forgotten. With several noteworthy new features and the potential for significantly increased battery life, the Apple Watch Series 8 appears to be a fitting successor to last year's Series 7. We're going to look at all the details about this watch, so watch till the end and do not forget to subscribe. Design. The Apple Watch Series 8 isn't reworking the wheel, and it's not going circular. In reality, the Series 8 resembles the Series 7 that came before it. That means it comes in both 41mm and 45mm sizes. The Apple Watch Series 8 keeps the crack-resistant face crystal as well as the aluminum and stainless steel finish options. It is also dust and water resistant up to 50 meters and swim-proof, according to IP6X certification. Because the series has no design or size changes, your old bands will still work with the new wearable as long as they're the correct size. Display. The Series 8 has the same 41mm and 45mm display options as the Series 7, with an edge-to-edge always-on Retina display that can reach up to 1,000 nits of brightness. Features. The rumors are true. Apple has added a temperature sensor in the Apple Watch Series 8. The sensor is sensitive enough to detect a 0.1 degrees Celsius temperature change in your body. In addition, the Series 8 monitors your wrist temperature every 5 seconds as you sleep. The two-sensor design contributes significantly to the sensitivity. One sensor on the back of the watch close to the skin, and another under the display. According to Apple, this helps eliminate disturbance from the outside environment. The temperature sensor will enhance Apple Watch's cycle tracking features by alerting users to potential cycle irregularities and improving ovulation monitoring. On the right device, all cycle tracking data is encrypted. The Apple Watch Series 8 will be able to detect a crash thanks to two new and enhanced sensors, a 3-axis gyroscope and a G-force accelerometer. Crash detection employs various sensors and features on your iPhone, including the barometer, GPS, and microphone to detect if you've been in a serious crash. This should keep the Apple Watch at bay. If a severe crash is detected, the Series 8 will phone 911, identify your position, and alert your emergency contacts if you do not answer the on-screen notification within 10 seconds. Aside from these new functions, the Apple Watch Series 8 retains many of the previous model's amazing features, such as ECG, fall detection, the always-on Retina display, and more. Battery life. When used normally, the Apple Watch Series 8 offers the same battery power as the previous generation. However, a new lower power mode is available. Using the new and enhanced low power mode with your iPhone, you can obtain up to 36 hours of battery life. While low power mode allows you to accomplish a lot more than it can on the Apple Watch Series 7, it does have certain limitations. It will turn off and/or restrict the use of certain sensors and functionalities, most notably the always-on display and heart health messages. Thanks to watchOS 9, this new low power mode will be available on other Apple Watch models beginning with the Series 4. Finishes and colors. The Apple Watch Series 8 is only available in two colors, aluminum and stainless steel. The aluminum Series 8 will be available in 4 colorways: Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and Product Red, while the stainless steel finish will be available in silver, gold, and graphite. Price and date of release. To get right to it, the Apple Watch Series 8 is available in 2 price ranges. The GPS-only 41mm model will cost $399 at launch. Choosing the 45mm GPS-only model, this will set you back $429. The cellular 41mm model will set you back $499. Do you want the 45mm cellular model? That will be $529. Of course, there are more possibilities, such as Nike, but the ones listed above will be the most popular, as per previous iterations. The Apple Watch Series 8 is now available for pre-order with a September 16th delivery date. Is this an upgrade you intend to make this year? Please let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!